Cold, ano prefer mo? Hot, cold?
Prefer ko talaga cold.
Cold. Ako din, actually. Masarap siya cold. Pero actually, hot, it's really good din. And guys, however you want to consume it, masarap pa rin siya. And of course, buy one, take one. So if you want to try both flavors, if you want to let your friends try it with your friends, mag-check out na kayo dyan because we have exclusive discounts and vouchers. So live lang right now.
Kasi nga, payday
Sale!
yun.
Yes!
And lahat ng makikita nyo na presyo dyan, sa amin lang nilang makukuha.
Yes.
Sa live lang namin makukuha. So,
Yes.
if I were you, don't lose the chance.
Don't lose the chance. Because what happens if you lose the chance? No. What happens if you don't take
No,
the risk?
take the risk.
You
or
lose the chance. Ayan. So if you don't wanna... Pero guys, to be honest, this is not a risk. This is a trusted product. You know, who trusts this product? We have Ivana Alawi. We have Stel from SB19.
Yeah.
You know, these people, syempre, fresh nila. Syempre, yung pinaka-fresh na endorser, nandito ngayon.
Siya!
So, syempre, it's not a risk, guys. So, if I were you, just take the chance. Buy one, take one pa nga. Saan pa kayo?
Kasi, di ba, sabi ko nga din sa kanila, yung sa mga unang live ko is parang taking these items or products, parang ano siya, for me, it's a one way of loving yourself. Kasi lahat magaganda yung makukuha mo sa mga items na sinesell natin.
And syempre, when you take care of your body, you're also loving yourself. Self-care din yan. And my favorite reason about why I consume these products palagi, because it's always easy for me to take care of myself. Kasi masarap siya, and I can take it anytime. It's so easy to prepare.
Yeah. So, kung ako sa inyo, i-check out nyo nila, okay?
Trusted na siya. 8 years na siya.
Okay, update. How many do we have left? Sa buy one, take one ng classic vanilla collagen.
Nako, 5 na lang.
5 na lang.
5 na lang.
Bilis nyo.
5 na lang ang ating buy one take one.
God!
Pero nako, alam mo, ito, binalik natin yung buy one take one ng Lumi. Kanina 10 yung stocks natin. Ngayon, 4 na lang.
Oh my God!
Grabe,
Kasi sabi ko naman
kaka-restock
sa
lang
inyo,
natin.
it's super good.
Sobrang good deal nito. Tapos, ito pa nga ang good news. Mas bumaba pa yung presyo ng ating buy one take one ng Lumi Gluta.
Wow!
From
O, diba?
Dahil
599.
599
to 500.
Mami mo nag-take niya.
Yeah.
To 540.
Kaya lang fresh.
Pwede
Guys.
mo nga, sa agaw mo mami.
Ayun nga, again, sobrang kaagaw ko si Mama pagdating sa Lumi capsule. Alam niyo ba, yung bago ako mag-Japan, as in nagtago talaga ako ng capsule. Ay, naglagay ako ng capsule for her. Tapos pag uwi ko, parang sabi ko, ba't
sold out na.
Ba't nangalahati siya? Uy,
Sold
ang
out na. Sold out na yung Lumi.
Di pa kami nagsalita, guys. Grabe, thank you
Wait
so
lang.
much.
Nag-sold out na yung buy one take one ng Lumi. Teka, magre-restock ulit tayo.
Restock
Oh my
ulit,
God,
guys.
grabe.
Ayun si ano ha, GL Skin Tropical Light.
Oh
Grabe.
my God. So yun nga, going back sa sinasabi ko, nag-iwan ako before
Kasi
ako
dark
umalis ng
chocolate
Japan.
na sold out.
So pagkabalik ko ng Japan, nangalahati siya. Tapos inaaway pa ako ng nanay ko kasi sinasabi niya na, bakit paubos na daw? Eh, siya lang naman yung umiinom.
So, nasisi ka pa?
Nasisi pa ako. So, ganun ko siya hinahype. Kasi sobrang effective niya talaga sa akin.
Actually, I brought this din from Taiwan. Kasi kakabalik ko lang from Taiwan, guys. And syempre, sobrang init doon.
You're with
Kaya-
tita, di ba?
Yeah, I was with my mom then.
Yeah.
So for me, of course, I want to have my skin protected on top of my regular sunscreen routine. So guys, super reassured talaga ako na my skin is safe. These ingredients are working to keep me healthy. Kaya, wala lang. Ang sarap pag may reassurance kasi. Diba?
Benta tayo, okay?
No, nagbebenta ako guys. Nagbebenta lang po ako. Kasi as in like, it helps protect your skin cells from UV exposure, it helps boost your immune system. So syempre nga, reassured ka. So, diba? Kaya guys, once you restock, you know what to do. What do they have to do? Check out!
Hindi ka pala first milk na sold out.
Ha? Yung
Grabe.
Milky Melon. Eto!
Masarap yan.
This is the Milky Melon.
Para siyang
I haven't
Para
tried
may
this
iba
one.
nga.
Talk about it nga. I haven't tried this one pa.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks about it.
Guys.
Sa'yo na
So
yan.
again, itong signature Milky Melon.
Uy, sold out na yung buy one take one ng Lumi ulit.
Grabe.
Grabe.
Hoy, grabe na kayo!
Nakakainan na kayo.
Hindi, magsalita na lang tayo
Sold
dito.
out na naman. Pero sige, magre-restock ulit tayo niyan. Habang nagre-restock tayo niyan, ito meron din tayong reseller package para sa mga gusto magkaroon ng extra income nila.
Yeah.
Yung sa reseller package naman natin, meron na siyang kasamang
10 boxes.
may kasama siyang 10 boxes and for only 2,340. No, from 2,500.
From 2,500, bumaba pa.
Down to 2,340. So grabe yung binibigay ng discount ni TikTok sa atin. So if I were you, grab the chances kasi
And actually, guys, you get 2 flavors sa resellers package. So may options ka with which one you want to sell.
red iced tea or dark
Or
chocolate.
dark chocolate.
Ikaw, kung magiging reseller ka, ano mo kunin mo? Dark chocolate? Dark
Oh,
chocolate, iced tea, or milk? Chocolate.
Actually, guys, for me kasi, I really like try different flavors. So if
Okay.
you're gonna get the reseller package, it's nice na may options kayo to let other people try others din. Kasi syempre, it actually works differently for different people. You have to find what works for you, diba? Syempre,
Yes.
different body composition, composition.
Compost?
Okay, anyway. But yeah, what I love about this is it really works differently for different people and I'm super glad na it's working really, really well for me. Kaya, try nyo na.
Nahiyang pala.
Pa-answer si Webster.
Si Ay, sorry
Yes. May
po.
vitamin C ang Lumi. Lumi has vitamin C.
It's
Ayun.
Lumi
Lumi
safe.
when taking vitamin C.
Yes.
Oh my god, this is... Yes.
May vitamin C siya.
Meron na kasi.
Kasi meron siyang vitamin C, meron So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kapag inom kayo ng Lumi na capsule, lahat andito na.
Lahat na, nandito na.
Lahat andito
Yes.
na. Right. So, meron siyang kasamang vitamin C na hindi nyo na kailangan... Kasi yung iba, alam nyo, ito speaking of vitamin C, minsan, or yung dating tinry ko, ano pa siya, iba pa yung tinitake ko na vitamin C sa mismong glutathione na tinitake ko.
Pero now, all in
Now,
one.
As in all in one
Diba?
siya. So when I found out na itong Lumi, na glutathione, meron siyang kasamang vitamin C. So again, hindi na siya hassle for me na maghanap ako ng ibang
Yes.
ng product or ibang capsule na merong may vitamin C just to pair with my glutathione. Ito,
Imagine guys, in one pill you get so many benefits, so many different vitamins. So, saan pa kayo? Diba? You don't have to bring... Kasi diba, lalo pa if you're
Hassle
traveling,
eh.
hassle,
Hassle
dami
siya.
pang bote. Diba? Right now guys, it's just in one bottle and you get ano pa, yung day capsule and yung night capsule. So guys, all in one talaga.
na good for 1 month.
Pero
Kasi
one.
dahil, bakit 1 month?
60 capsules.
Bakit 60 capsules? Ewan ko. Tanong sa... So,
Pero yan guys, kasi
30,
syempre...
30.
pero alam mo kung bakit lagi
30
ko
for the
siyang...
day, 30 and the night.
Pero lagi ko siyang, ang bilis ko makaubos. Alam mo kung bakit? 2 times ako nagtitake ng white capsule and ng pink capsule. So,
Yes, that's okay.
feeling ko, ang bilis na naubos sa akin.
And it works talaga.
Really?
It does. Yeah, you're like
Oh my
glowing.
gosh, lalo pang bumaba yung buy one take one, 540 na lang.
Oh my God! Oy, wait lang! Happy 1 million lang.
Thank you guys.
Happy 1 million lang!
Bumaba yung gluta, grabe.
Oh my
Bumaba
God!
siya.
Oh my God!
514 na
Oh my
lang.
God! Payday sale, di ba?
Yes.
From 599 down to 514.05 pesos
Dalawang
na.
box na
Buy
yun.
one, take one ng Lumi!
And
So
guys,
dahil buy one take one, ilang capsules ang lahat makukuha nyo?
120. Ba't ang slow mo naman?
So 120. So if I were you, grab nyo na yung chance! Kasi if hindi nyo ginrab yung chance, masasad na lang kami dito. No? Okay.
Nakakailang sold
Guys, imagine almost 100 pesos off just from this live. You're not gonna find a cheaper price right now anywhere else. So if I were you, mag-check out na kayo dyan. Before we sell
Oh my God! 5 left.
5 na lang?
Bro, 5
Oh, God.
left. 5 left.
From 15
lang.
yung
15.
stocks natin, nag-5
Down
na
to
lang.
5 left.
Naku,
Huwag
huwag
niyo
niyong
ubusan,
palagpasin.
Baka naman mag-sell ng warehouse din ha.
Kasi yung warehouse natin, pagod na mag-restock.
Kaya someone asked pala kanina na do the Milky Melon, Dark Chocolate, and Red Iced Tea all have the same effect?
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Kita. So ano, do they?
Sold out!
Question.
Sold out! Sold out!
Hindi kami nagsalita,
Sold
guys.
out! Uy, may nagtanong. May nagtanong nung...
How many capsules per day po? Ang
Again, sige, how many... Good question. How many capsules per day? Kung acidic kayo... Uy, daylight yung kanta.
What's the song?
What's the song? I don't know this
Alam
song.
eh.
Um...
Nagbebenta tayo.
Ano ganda ba tayo?
Distracted ka
sorry!
naman.
Sorry. Okay. Again, anong tanong ng kanina?
How many should you drink? How many should you drink per day?
Siguro depende sa katawan nyo. Kasi ako, since hindi naman ako acidic, 2 capsules ako per day.
Ako din.
And kung siguro kung acidic ka, make sure na may meal ka before ka mag-take ng capsule. That's really important kung acidic ka. And syempre, again mga loves ko, eto disclaimer lang, kapag uminom kayo ng Lumi, doesn't mean na effective agad, na gagana agad siya.
Syempre guys, kahit din sa skincare, sa ibang self-care products, it takes time and consistency to really make
Exactly.
something work.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. So of course, we
Yeah.
have to commit to taking it every day din. Pero alam nyo, hindi kayo mahirapan kasi sobrang bilis i-add sa routine mo.
Yeah, hindi
Imagine like paggising mo, inumin mo, before you go to bed.
Again, sobrang dali niya lang. Alam mo kung bakit lahat ng benefits nandito, lahat ng vitamin C and
all in one.
All in one lahat na. So, ako, talagang hindi talaga to na-miss sa morning routine ko and sa evening routine ko. Ito talaga.
And guys, it's so easy to include it na sa routine mo. Imagine, one pill, ang dami ng benefits, ang dami ng ingredients. Hindi na kailangan ng, kuha ka sa isang bote, tapos isa pa, di ba? Tapos
Diba?
laklakin mong lahat. This one pill in the morning, one pill at night. If you wanna do 2, okay din.
Anything
But again
you
guys,
know.
it takes time din, so...
Depende sa body response.
Of course.
Depende
Takes
sa...
time.
Di naman siya super drastically, pero kapag... Hi, Ma-Merge!
Buy one, take all red ice is sold out.
Wow! Sold out ang
God.
ating red iced tea buy one take
Since
one.
favorite siya ni bro, okay.
Okay.
Gusto.
Sold out na.
Sold out na.
Sold out na.
Pero,
Magre-restock tayo.
restock na.
Guys, we're gonna restock kasi this is really my
No, that's my
favorite.
favorite.
Pero
And I want to share it with you guys kasi this is really my favorite one. Para siya yung mga IC sa
Uy,
restaurant.
nag-491 yung Lumi. Buy one, take one.
Oh my God!
Okay, Lumi ba?
491. 491.
Sa iba, depende sa account. 491
Dito
yung iba.
491. Oh my God, mga loves ko.
Depende sa
Grabe.
Lumi.
Mga anak. Hindi. Sa Lumi, grabe siya kasi 15 left from 599 down to 491.
Guys, that's more than 100 pesos discount.
Grabe.
Grabe.
I-take niyo yung chance kasi... Diba?
Kasi actually guys, these prices are only for this live ngayon.
Yes,
And we're really
correct.
excited we get to share it with you kasi syempre first live to namin ni Sai together with Glutalipo and we're so happy na Glutalipo is giving us exclusive discounts para lang sa inyo and syempre we stand by these products. So thank you Glutalipo.
Yeah. Thank you, Glutalipo, so much. And malay nyo lang naman, magkaroon tayo ng something maganda. I don't wanna say.
No spoilers.
Anyway, ayun. Ilan na ba? 14 left na lang Kaya kung ako sa inyo mga loves ko, i-check out nyo yun.
And guys, not only does this help your skin become, mas makinis, ganun, it actually also helps protect your skin from the sun. And I can't stop repeating that kasi rare yan sa market nowadays na iinumin mo na lang yung sunscreen mo. Where have you heard of that? Nowhere, diba? But with Glutalipo,
Dari naman nung
but with Glutalipo, not only do you get that on top of so many other benefits. And ano yung other benefits?
Other benefits niya ay nakakapagpatibay siya ng puso. Joke lang! Hindi, ang other benefits niya po ay syempre, ako for some reason, di ba, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, sobrang sarap ng tulog ko. Like,
Bakit?
lagi nang sarap tulog ko eh.
Ako din. Pero
May
syempre,
first effect ba sa may skin allergy?
Ano daw po?
may adverse effect ba sa my skin allergies?
Depends.
Depende po siya, di ba? Kaya kailangan muna mag-consult muna kayo sa mga doctors nyo, sa dermatologist doctors nyo. Kasi, eto nga sabi naman, parang taking at your own risk.
Yes.
Tama ba? Kasi, again, kung gusto nyo i-try, wala namang masama kung i-try nyo. But first, kailangan nyo munang, syempre, i-prioritize yung health nyo. Na malay nyo naman, mamaya hindi gumana sa inyo. Syempre, ayaw din namin na magkaroon na bad na mangyari sa inyo.
Oo naman, pero feel ko for most people, it has a great effect. Like for me, for Sai, and actually guys, alam mo, yung family ko, they really consume Glutalipo products palagi. Even before I started TikTok, kaya alam ko na yung Glutalipo. And for me, personally, I can vouch, trusted siya within my family din. Honestly. I use it. And minimension ko yan dati pa. Even before this live. You know it's true. So,
Yeah.
ayan, for me, I'm reassured with Glutalipo na safe.
Naiiyak si Lumi.
But yeah, what's the update pala on the stocks for the buy one take one? So
10 na lang.
10
We
na lang,
have
guys.
10
10 na lang.
left. 10 bottles left. 10 buy one, take one left.
Yeah, and the discount is more than 100 pesos. Guys, it's only on this live. So if I were you, check out na kayo.
18% off.
Tsaka what's
18%
good is payday ngayon. So
Yeah.
talagang makakapag-check out.
Again, sabi ko sa inyo, don't miss the chance kasi payday sale ngayon. Mas good deal niyo makukuha. Say hi to Mama.
Hi, Mamerge! Mamerge, bili ka na.
So yun,
May tanong tayo. Pwede na ba mag-take ng Lumi 14 years old and above? Actually, isn't 16?
actually it's, ang recommended talaga namin 16 pataas.
16 to
Pero,
18 just to be safe.
Just to be
Pero
safe.
you know what guys, if you're 14 years old and interested ka, don't worry, 2 years lang yan. As long as you continue to take care of your skin, by the
Okay lang
time
yan, di ba?
Oh, by the time you turn 16, ibo-boost pa ng
At
Lumi.
least kapag nag-turn ka na 16, nakaipon ka na ng bottles, di ba?
Queen sa Lumi Billboard.
Huy.
Manifesting.
Manifesting lang po.
Comment namin, tingnan.
siguro kung
Manifesting.
hindi nyo kami iiwan, di ba? Why not?
Gusto mag-check out sila.
Basta mag-check out kayo.
Mag-check out kayo para may pang billboard kami.
Gusto ko yun.
May side effects daw ba sa chan or kidney?
For me, I've never had any side effects.
Yeah.
Actually, not at all. Yung effect lang, yung mga positive effects. Yung skin ko mas bouncy.
Pag top nilagay ko sa...
O, di ba? Bouncy. Mas fair skin, fresher.
Literal palang
Paano
mag-bounce.
yun?
Super OA, but honestly, like, na-notice ko talaga yung effect.
Yeah. And ako like siguro nung mga... Kasi kung matatanong niyo po sa akin, ilang bottles ko na yung nainom ko na ito?
Ilan na? How many have you finished?
4 bottles?
4 bottles? Guys, there's only 6 bottles left for the buy one take one, right?
Oh my God!
6 stocks left for the buy one take one, guys.
Oh my God.
Grabe naman yun.
6 bottles left na lang po.
6 ba yun?
So anyways, bukod pa sa skin, syempre yung effect din ng Lumi is ang sarap ng tulog mo, as in. Super nice.
Again, kagaya ng sabi ko, pang 4th bottle ko na to, yung tinitake ko sa bahay. Actually, meron ako dala, lagi siyang nasa toilet kit ko. Ewan ko, so weird, di ba? Like, tumasama kasi.
No, actually, I brought my din sa Taiwan kasi wala lang. I feel like it's so easy kahit saan, kahit kailan, na you can just take a pill
Yeah.
and then
Good to go,
good to
right?
go ka na.
It's kagaya nga rin ng sabi ko na pag every morning pagising ko, hindi naman sa sobrang glow, hindi naman sa pagkakaway, pero na-notice ko na medyo, alam mo yung glow na hindi oil, yung face ko.
Yeah.
Ganun siya.
Thanks
So,
to Lumi
yeah,
and thanks to
thanks to
Sir Leo.
Kate Leo.
Syempre, thank you so
Kate Sir
much.
Leo.
Yes.
Depende sa school kasi.
Depende.
Oo, ikaw naman.
Ano kasi, mas social yung Leo.
Ay, sorry. Okay, fine. Okay, so yun nga, yun yung sinasabi ko na nanonotice ko siya na bukod sa masarap yung tulog ko every night, kinabukasan, nakakapansin ako ng medyo okay yung face ko. Again, syempre, samahan niyo yan ng skincare kasi hindi naman to, kapag ito ininom nyo, hindi naman drastically na makikita nyo na agad yung effect, di ba? Syempre,
Actually,
kailangan
for me,
sabayan.
feel ko it boosts yung effect
Yeah,
ng consistent
yeah.
skincare nyo.
Perfect term.
Like if interested kayo sa skincare,
Sold out.
sold out na.
Oh my God,
guys!
Denise!
Thank you! Thank
my
you,
God,
Denise!
Oh my God,
Thank you
Denise.
so-
Hala, sabay
I
nga
love you,
tayo
Denise.
sabay
Sige.
tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Sold out na!
Si dark choc. Mas mura dark choc pa, 297.
Dark Choco.
Okay, ipin natin guys because we wanna talk about the dark choco.
Ban ka pa, no?
I know. Guys, life update lang pala. I got banned last night and na-reject yung appeal ko. Kaya ngayon, we're gonna live muna with Sai. But actually, I'm super excited to come back din.
Ah.
And live with them again sa account ko.
Yeah. Oh,
Kasi
wow.
honestly, we're gonna have more products, more stock. So guys, honestly, wala. This is really just in our lives for a long time and we're so excited to share it with you. Yeah.
Oh my God! Tatlo na lang yung natitira
Yung
sa dark
dark chocolate.
chocolate.
Grabe.
From 350.
Kim
Kim
Q,
Q!
thank you! Oy, stargazing. Bakit?
Oh, bakit stargazing?
Anyway, speaking of yung dark chocolate,
Magtrabaho tayo. Madami tayong pinapakain dapat.
guys, actually, it has 10 sachets na. So imagine, $2.97. Okay, let's say comparison lang. If bibili kayo ng hot chocolate, iced chocolate sa cafe, ano yan, minimum 100 pesos each. Pero ngayon, for $2.97, you get 10 sachets na. That's 10 cups for
my God.
297 pesos. Imagine,
Yes.
nagbabayad lang kayo ng 29 pesos para sa isang dark chocolate.
No, that's fire.
395 ang SRP na.
Oh my God, ito
Fire, bro.
390.
From 350 down to 297.50.
Imagine you're paying 29 pesos for a glass of dark chocolate, pero with so many benefits din.
Oh my God, 1.3 M likes. Oh my God, 1.3 M likes. 1.3 M likes. Ayun just
Sabi
keep
ko, consistent tayo sa 2,200 viewers.
know,
Wow.
thank you
Is it
so
safe for
much.
those who have PCOS?
Oh my God, sold out!
It's safe, guys, for those who have PCOS. Sold out ulit?
Sorry.
Sold out ulit?
Yeah, it's sold out. Thank you so much.
Pagod na ako mag-ring ng bell. Kim Teo!
So,
Okay, ring ulit ng bell.
One,
Thank
two,
3, go.
Oh my God, Denise! Bestie Denise!
Denise,
Oh
I
my God,
love you.
happy birthday!
Belated happy birthday pala kay Denise!
Belated happy birthday, Denise! I miss you so much! Okay, so... Ano na po, Sir Mark?
Okay, what are we gonna focus on? Guys, by the way, if may tanong kayo, don't be scared to ask.
Oh
We
my
would
God.
want to give you information on it.
Okay, eto. Perfect kay tita to, yung barley. Kasi you know why? This is actually for may mga edad na po. Tama po ba, di ba? Sa may mga
Mga oldies.
mga oldies. Sa
Pero
mga
all
oldies.
ages.
Pero
all ages naman siya.
Yeah, all ages siya. Pero,
Oh, but it works it works well talaga for people of age kasi
Yeah.
syempre like
Kuya Ma,
yung mga
come
needs.
Excuse me.
Syempre yung mga needs sa mga magulang natin, mga parents, titos,
di pero may ka sa
titas.
tea, di ba?
Yeah.
May si Kuya Mat sa tea talaga like every
Favorite
sale.
thing
Ikaw din,
ano?
tea, di ba?
Favorite yan yung tita, no? Klaro yun ba siya? O Babilia?
Oh,
Na
yeah.
yan.
Si tita!
Ano siya? Ayan.
Si tita po, si tita. Eh?
Oh, eto na nga, saktong-sakto, naka 19% off siya.
By the way, guys, again, it's for all ages. It actually helps with blood sugar control. It helps with the immune system. So of course, that's why naggustahan talaga to ng mga matanda, mga may edad. Because yun talaga yung need natin as we grow older. But if you wanna start now to protect your body,
Yeah.
make your immune system mas malakas, mag-check out na kayo ng barley.
Kagaya din ng sabi ko,
Barley.
improve sa improve sa Australia yung etong barley. So this is something na very nice and talagang as in
Quality yung ingredients
quality
kasi syempre
siya.
important siya, of
Quality
course.
yung ingredients niya. So if I were you,
And actually, maybe some of you think na weird yung lasa kasi green siya, ganoon. Pero actually, no. For me personally, masarap siya. Like, hindi siya
Ay, so natikman mo na.
Yeah, I tried this
May
one.
stevia siya.
This one's good. And it's actually sweet din, guys. But of course, we use natural sweeteners with glutathiose. So, stevia lang. Low calorie din.
Actually lahat ng sinisell namin dito, lahat to stevia. So okay lang 'yan. Hindi na kayo parang kumbaga manghihinayang sa ititake nila kasi lahat to stevia. It's a natural sweetener and kung ako sa inyo, check out niyo 'yan.
And guys, pwede din i-search lahat ng effects ng barley because barley, parang ano siya, parang superfood siya.
From
Daming benefits.
Healthy nga lang
from
talaga.
350 down to 282.6.
Update, how many stocks do we have left on the
we
barley?
have
Baka sold out na yan.
1,000.
What?
Marami yan.
Joke lang po. So ayun, ano ba? So kamusta ka naman?
Ay, nasold out si milk tea.
Ano milk tea po yan?
milk tea
The milk tea, the class yan.
Oh, this one! Nagtampo na siya.
Sold out na siya without flexing.
Nagtampo na yung milk tea.
May buy one take one din ang ating premium milk tea.
Yeah.
Wow, this is actually really good, guys. Imagine low calorie na yung milk tea, tapos ang dami pang benefits and ingredients.
Like, you know what? Eto, siguro na-try ko siya once, pero the lasa itself, sobrang...
The last.
Ay,
Konyo mo naman?
I'm sorry. Kasi apple... Pero yun, yung lasa na to, it's actually good kasi kagaya ng sabi ko, hindi talaga ako ma-sweet. Hindi ako ma-sweet tooth, so hindi talaga ako nagtitake ng mga sweet, mas-sweet. Pero good thing kasi it has stevia din, so wala talaga siyang...
Hindi nakakaumay yung lasa, no?
Yeah, pero ito
Delicious
goods to.
sweet.
Actually goods to. I-check out
Yeah.
nito.
So if mahilig kayo sa milk tea, why not try a milk tea option that gives you so many benefits?
Kalasa
Diba?
niya si Okinawa.
Okinawa, uy, alam mo Okinawa eh. Oo. Alam mo ba?
Alam mo ba?
Oo. Anong lasa ng Okinawa?
Nasa milk tea.
Lasa...
Natanong mo pa ako nasa milk tea.
Anong lasa ng Hokkaido milk tea?
Nasa milk
Nasa milk tea?
Oh my God, have you tried the ano?
Nasa ba yung dark
The
chocolate natin?
milk tea sa Taiwan?
I did. Masarap siya. Iba siya.
Dark chocolate. Meron naman dark chocolate.
Ay, dark chocolate.
Para stock daw.
Fave ko to actually. Fave ko to. Favorite ko to.
How many stocks do we have left of the dark chocolate?
Oh my God, parang stock daw ng dark
For
chocolate.
dark choco, wait lang.
Sold out
10.
na.
Only 10.
Okay, nag-restock na po tayo. So if you guys want Sai's favorite drink, 10 stocks left.
Yeah, we have
Check out
10
na.
pa daw.
10 pa, 10 pa.
Last
10 pa?
10
Last
pa.
10 na lang.
Oh my
10 pa.
God.
Last 10.
Okay,
Last na talaga, guys.
Okay, last na po talaga. Last na last.
Paunahan na to,
last
guys.
po talaga.
Paunahan na.
So yun, hoy 1.4M na tayo!
Grabe yung fingers
Alam nyo,
mo.
Tsaka hindi nababa yung visa.
Stopping.
grabe yung patap. Grabe yung fingers nila.
Oo, ang bilis.
Bilis ng fingers nyo ah!
Guys, thank you for supporting us. It
Grabe.
means so much to us.
Alam nyo, just keep on tapping kasi why not na magkaroon yan mamaya ng grabing sale. Because of you guys
Tangan
tapping.
nyo.
Mura lang. Dark chocolate.
So again,
297.
from 315 dark chocolate natin down to 297.
15% off na siya.
Oh my God, 15% off! And 9 left na lang siya! 9 left na lang siya!
15.
Okay. So, okay, have you tried the dark
I
chocolate?
tried it. Masarap siya. It's not too sweet, but it still tastes good. And guilt-free siya kasi guys, low calorie, natural, stevia.
Speaking of pag-try ng dark chocolate, anong mas gusto mo? Hot or cold?
Ako for the dark chocolate hot.
Hot ka.
I like that. Ikaw, cold.
Oh, cold na rin.
Cold, yeah. But guys, actually, masarap siya pag hot kasi when you take it before you go to bed, parang it feels good na you're drinking something warm.
Para siyang yung milk na nung bata tayo
bata
na
kaya.
uminom ka ng milk, then you're
Oo.
watching movie or
Diba?
whatever.
Actually, I've done that before. Like, pampatulog
With
ko yung
who?
Netflix and then
With
I would drink yung ako lang.
Okay.
And then I would drink this, wala, calming lang siya. And reassured ako knowing na hindi siya...
Stevia.
Oo, hindi siya high calorie.
Okay, so
Diba?
stevia.
Guilt-free comfort
So
drink.
feeling ko talaga,
Anong feeling mo?
feeling ko forever ko tong favorite.
Yung?
Ito!
Okay.
Naman, napaka-epal mo naman.
Yes.
Trabaho po tayo, po.
Kaya ako nagtatrabaho ka
6
dito.
na.
And guys, 6 stocks left, so paunahan na kayo.
Wait lang, I get lang.
Yung Milky Melon, nag-ano siya, bagsak presyo yung Milky Melon na.
Grabe, from 350 down
Ayan,
to
sige.
282. Okay, where's yung Milky?
19% off siya.
Grabe.
Yes, 19% and 8 na lang ang ating natitirang boxes ng Milky Melon.
And guys, there's chia seeds here din. And if you don't know, chia seeds is a superfood. Ang daming benefits dun. And this also helps, this also helps you...
Alam mo, ang maganda pa dyan sa Milky Melon natin,
Dito ka.
you get the taste of melon talaga.
Yeah, alam mo yung childhood favorite ko actually is yung
Melon.
melon milk. Alam mo yun? Parang wala na yung melon milk. No? Pero when I tried this, guys, if you know, you know, yung melon milk as a kid, ba't nawala siya? No?
Nawala.
Pero buti may melon flavor yung Glutalipo, guys. It's bringing back yung mga childhood memories ko. Pero this time, syempre, ang dami ng added benefits din.
Maraming added benefits. Di ba ang worry natin, masyadong matamis to.
High
parang-
calories.
High calories.
Oo.
Pero syempre, ginawa ni Glutalipo na maging fit sa atin, maging healthy pa rin sa atin kahit uminom tayo ng matamis na mga drinks.
Kahit everyday, di ba?
Yes,
Okay lang.
everyday.
Everyday, okay lang, guys. Because, okay, yung calories dito, guys, imagine 44 per serving, 44 calories. If you don't know, para
Ang baba.
lang, di ba? Para lang
44
i-compare
calories
nyo, yung isang, kunwari, hot chocolate drink, 150 calories, ganun. Kidman.
Saglit lang, nag-commercial lang. Yung isa kumukuha lang ng tubig, nauuhaw kasi siya.
Pero yun, guys, imagine na 44 calories. Usually, pag umiinom tayo ng mga sweet drinks, 200 calories,
200
300 calories. And 44 na lang, pero
Ito
ano,
mababa. Tsaka alam mo, madali kang mabubusog dito kasi meron siyang
oo
chia
nga, no?
seeds. Madali
Yes.
kang mabubusog
Yes.
dyan. So tapos na po yung roll ko dito. Ayan o, pasok ka na dun. Pero guys, i-grab nyo na ang ating Milky Melon kasi 8 stocks left na lang siya. And
8 stocks left.
19% off siya, Waki.
from ano tayo?
From 350 pesos down to
282, guys, that's almost a 100 peso discount. Oh, thank you. Cheers.
1.5 minutes.
Cheers ng tubig. Water break, guys.
water break.
Well,
Deserve
di-
niya dahil 1.5 million likes na tayo! O, diba? Grabe. Napakadami namang nagtatap ngayon, ha?
Grabe kayo magtapa.
O, 7 na lang yung ating Milky Melon.
Hoy, 7 na lang yung milk melon natin!
Yung Milky Melon, parang nagiging konyo ka. Hindi ka naman ganyan kanina.
Milky melon. Oh.
Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya?
Okay, yung milky... yung milky melon natin from 350
Trabaho
down to
tayo,
282.62 pesos!
And guys, yung price na yan, exclusive sa live ito and for today because it's the Glutalipo Payday Sale, guys. So,
I-grab nyo na yan. And syempre, nako, baka yung iba sa inyo magkaroon ng mga extra discounts pa. Kaya don't forget to claim the coupons na meron kayo dyan. I-check
Yes,
nyo
then
lang
yes
yan.
for you.
I-click
guys,
nyo
click the
yan.
yellow basket lang. You can get all your vouchers before you check out. Para super sulit.
Mamaya nandiyan dyan pa, may additional 5% off pa kayo. Katulad dito sa screen ko, meron, no? Tsaka may mga shipping
Sa akin,
coupon
baka
din
may
siya.
discount din ako dito.
Una,
Alam mo,
kailangan nyo
meron.
mag-check out.
Alam mo, it's good kasi the more
discounts
na
dito.
nagtatap kayo, like the more na napapataas natin yung viewers and all,
Mas
nagbibigay si TikTok
nagbibigay.
mas magbibigay si TikTok ng discount. So if I were you, mga loves ko, kapag nagpa-flash sale si TikTok ng mga products na binibenta namin, i-grab niyo yung chance kasi sobrang bilis lang niya, may minutes lang siya na kailangan sa sold out.
Ay, sold out na si Dorky.
1.6M na tayo.
Grabe, 1.6M. And guys, don't forget to share the live din because the more viewers we have, the more discounts we're all gonna get. So,
Yes na yes. Okay.
okay, what do you want? Guys, if you have any questions there, we're
What
ready
if
to answer.
ipin pa natin yung Lumi? Kasi Lumi bias ako eh.
Si
Lumi bias ako
Sige,
eh.
sige, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, ipin ulit natin si Lumi.
Lumi bias
Ang
ako.
inyong
may questions
favorite na Lumi. Ayan.
Yan. Buy one, take one po ang aming Lumi po. O po.
Ano yun? Yan, naka 5% off siya. Nako, mag-tap-tap lang kayo. Baka mamaya mas bumagsak pa ang presyo ng ating buy one, take one ng Lumi. Pero kahit hindi pa siya, hindi pa malaki yung discounts niya na binibigay ni TikTok, dito pa lang sa live nyo, naka-flash sale na siya. From 599 pesos down to
569.05 pesos.
And imagine, guys, you can even get it for cheaper pa once you collect the vouchers na exclusive lang
Yes.
sa live na ito.
Sila mag-claim.
Yes, guys, don't forget to claim the vouchers. And actually, Kuya Carl, shout out to your red iced tea, please. Yeah, actually, this is my favorite talaga.
ako din.
Your red
Pareho
iced
kami ni
tea.
Joaquin.
Diba?
Red
Same.
iced
Kasi may kalasa siya na, don't say the word that.
Okay,
May
yeah.
kalasa siyang...
Actually,
May kalasa siya na red iced tea sa isang
Sa isang-
Japanese
yes, I was gonna...
resto.
Yeah, guys, actually, minimension ko kanina na parang restaurant quality siya. Kasi totoong same lasa.
Same.
Imagine, same lasa sa restaurants, pero it's low calorie, uses all natural sweeteners, and has so many benefits.
So if I were you,
And also, mas mura pa siya.
yeah, tsaka,
if you were to buy it.
if you're gonna take this, dapat kinabukasan, wala kang lakad. Kasi kapag kinabukasan, lahat ng sama ng loob mo mawawala.
Sama ng loob. Gusto ko yun.
Yeah. Sama ng loob mo, lahat ng
Totoo.
kasamaan sa buhay mo mawawala. So, ang best time talaga siya to drink. Siyempre, kung best time to drink is, siyempre, before bedtime, tapos kinabukasan, pag wala kang gagawin,
Books na siya.
lahat yun,
Will leave all the negativity.
yeah.
But actually,
Ano, so-
what I do minsan din when I take these drinks is, kunwari I'm working, so I would take it in the morning if nasa bahay lang ako. Para at least I'm reassured na prepared ako to, feel the effects of it, that all the impurities are coming out of my body.
So, ano ka doon?
Impurities.
Impurities.
Sold out kasi yan.
Impurities.
alam.
Ano yung impurities sa Tagalog? Sama ng loob.
Dami mong alam.
Sama ng loob.
Impurities, pagkukulang.
Does Lumi help reduce breakouts? Actually, genuinely for me, I feel like it does. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman yan yung main focus. But when your skin is healthier, fairer, and ang daming nutrients sa skin mo, it's gonna show. Not only are the breakouts less, but mas glowy ka na. Oh yeah. Mas smooth din yung skin mo, like yours, di ba? Yan.
Ano yun? Meron silang sinasabi.
Huwag na pansinin yan, Kuya Mari. Anong gusto mo, Anong gusto mo kanta?
Should I take it before or after? Kasi,
Any
Kasi parang
song,
photo
Taylor
edit
Swift,
natin.
Gracie Abrams,
Oh my God. Take the risk.
Risk. Okay, Alexa. Walang Alexa dito.
Nakakayo.
Warehouse?
Warehouse, please play. Okay, may tanong tayo dito.
Okay.
Should I take it before or after meal? After meal in the morning? What would you recommend, Sai?
What I recommend is drink it bedtime, before bedtime. Kasi pag morning, depende siya.
Depends on your routine, guys.
Depende sa routine mo. Kung wala kang, basta as long as wala kang lakad.
As long as you're home, you have not a lot to do, take it anytime. But
Take it
syempre,
anytime.
if you're busy, if you're on the go, and you want to take it every day, okay lang talaga yan. But as long as you take it the night before and you have time to, let everything out talaga in the morning, the next morning. Ayan. Para at least, guys, magsisimula yung day niyo na parang light ka.
Yeah.
Like, ready to
Parang-
take on the day.
Ready kumain ulit ng madami.
Yes. Guilt-free.
So yun, again, if I were you, check nyo na to. Check out nyo yan, mga love.
How many stocks do we have left of the red iced tea?
How many stocks do we have left? Yes, in range.
I think, we have 9 na lang ata.
9 na lang!
Oh my God! Line up na lang tayo! So,
8 na lang.
8 na lang!
8 na lang!
Baka 7 na ngayon. 7 na.
Red iced tea. Naku, hintayin natin yan. Magugulat lang tayo. Sold out na yan.
Okay po
Hintayin
bang
lang
uminom
natin.
ng red iced tea if may hyperacidity ka?
Uy, naaaliw kayo masyado 1.8 million likes na kayo.
Wow.
1.8
guys.
million.
Napol.
By the way, if you have hyperacidity, don't be afraid to consult your doctor. I'm sure they can tell you all the information you need. Pero for me kasi, I've never had problems with it talaga.
You heard that right.
You heard it right. Hey!
Okay, so,
Done check out. Thank you so much, Sir Carl. Ayan, people are buying,
sold out
oh.
kasi coffee.
Uy, ang dami na binili.
Kaya nga,
Yung buy one, take
di ba?
one.
Si Sir Carl po?
si Sir Carl.
Tatlong buy one,
Limang
take
buy
one.
one, take one na red iced tea at 4 na dark choco.
Oh my God, Sir Carl,
Nagdagan niyo pa.
Uy, nakakahiya naman,
Sir Carl, thank you for the support.
Sold out na yung coffee,
Parang feeling ko maging reseller na si Sir
Totoo.
Carl.
Speaking of
Last time
resellers,
mo, siya rin yung maraming binili.
Yun nga din, siya din po. Oh my God, Sir Carl, thank you so much po! Thank you so much, Sir Carl. Sir Carl, thank you so much.
parang
Happy
reseller.
payday po.
Speaking of resellers, we should focus on
Pwede po
resellers
magpatugtog
package.
na ano po.
Sa lahat ng gusto mag-resell to find extra income din as well, we have a resellers package for you that not only has one flavor but
Sa coffee, definitely. Sa
two
sold out.
flavors. So there we go. We're gonna pin it. Thank you so much, Kuya.
Dark
Matt.
chocolate and... dark chocolate and
red icy. So if you want
Pwede po
best of
magpatugtog
both
po na.
worlds,
Risk po.
Ano po?
Risk.
Risk?
Kay Gracia Abrams.
Gracie Abrams.
Gracie kasi.
Gracia. Akala ko Gracia talaga.
Gracie Abrams.
Whatever, depende sa school po yan. Okay. So, kung ako sa inyo mga loves ko, I-check out nyo na yan. Alam mo yung mga nag-alo, yung
Thank
mga
you, Sir Carlo.
yung mga nagla-live sell. Yung mga, anong sinasabi nila? Check out yung mga loves ko.
Oo nga, tapos like,
Check out yung mga loves ko. Opo. Check out nyo naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check out.
kaya mo yan. Sample nga. Sample para sa resellers package. Sample.
Okay, sa
Let's do
reseller
it.
package, nawawala ako.
Chocolate. Red
Tawag ka
pastry.
nila, mga boss, ayan,
Okay po. Okay, Madam Sir. Okay, Madam Sir. Okay, Madam Sir. Ipipin natin, Madam Sir, ang resellers check. Ayan. Ang resellers package, Madam ko, red iced tea at dark chocolate, Madam ko. Kung ako sa inyo, Madam ko, i-check out nyo na yan from 2.5 to 2.450, mga Madam ko. Okay, i-check out nyo na yan.
And you, galing, wait. Galing mo dyan. And guys, sa resellers package, you get 5 of each flavor.
Yay.
Imagine, 5 of each flavor. You get to try the best of both worlds. Actually, in the resellers package, it includes yung favorite ko and yung favorite ni Sai.
Yes, Madam ko.
So if I were you, i-recommend ko talaga yung resellers package.
Tsaka pwede siyang Christmas gift.
Oh, yeah!
Guys, with the
Ay,
holiday
pwede
seasons
raffle.
coming up, pwede din.
Speaking of, siguro kung may regalo ko sa'yo, regalo ko talaga yung Lumi tsaka yung
Ay, salamat ah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Kasi feeling ko deserve mo talaga ng... Deserve mo yun.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Papa Fresh this Christmas season. Diba
Yes,
guys?
mga Madam ko!
Guys, if I were you, let's end the year in a fresh tayo. That's the best gift you can give
Yeah!
yourself this holiday season, guys. Your
Yeah.
best gift for yourself is self-care. Self-love.
Okay. Kaya if I were you, go ko na ang resellers package.
Yes. Ayusin ko to.
For
Okay.
sure, magkakaroon sila ng extra income dyan kasi
Oo naman!
fast-moving products yung
Sa
nasa
mga ano,
reseller pack.
Sa
Ang
mga...
laki ng discount nito.
Oo,
Kasi,
laki ng discount.
Sa mga ano talaga, sa mga...
1.5 halos yung magiging
Discount.
1.5, grabe.
O, tuturuan ko
1.5.
Kung
for
na
the-
ng 1.5.
Kaya sa mga ano dyan, sa mga students dyan na nanonood sa amin ngayon, make sure to grab the chance kasi mas makikita kayo ng doble.
Yeah.
If I were you.
And of course, syempre, thank you din pala to Glutalipo for giving opportunities din to earn extra income and also for spreading, yung self-care mission ni Sir Leo. So,
8 years
thank
na.
you so much.
Yes, 8 years in the industry na yan.
And guys,
8 years!
syempre,
Sana all 8 years, right?
oh, yung... Patience kasi. Pero guys, kasi, yung experience and time speaks for itself. Sir Leo's been in this industry for 8 years. And my legacy na talaga siya. Trusted.
Sobrang trusted siya.
Trusted.
Kaya nga, alam mo ba yung story about Lumi kung bakit ko siya
No,
nag
tell me the story.
Okay. Okay, mga madam ko. Po, i-check mo yung
Story time now. Go, actually, I'm curious.
Okay.
Buy one, take one na din. May 18% na siya.
Oh my God, 18% na
18%
siya.
si buy one, take one room.
Oh my God, 18%
Ay,
kasi... Oh my God! From 599 down to 569.
Ay,
Grabe.
Hindi.
Ay,
sa akin lang pala siya.
sorry po.
Pero depende sa account.
Depende sa, depende siya sa account. So, kung yung account nyo, lucky enough, then, swerte nyo.
Swerte nyo. Check out nyo na kasi meron na lang tayong 18 na buy one take one ng Lumi na natitira.
Sold out na si Juice.
Oh my God! Sold out na!
Sold out na
That's
yun,
sold...
Hindi pa nga nag-reflex yun.
Hindi pa nag-reflex to, oh.
Si Lemon.
Ito,
Okay, flex mo
lemon
yan.
juice.
Okay.
Flex mo yan, go.
So guys,
Uy, ito yung flex.
yung... Joke lang naman. Okay, ano to? Uy! Yung Glutalipo Classic Series with lemon flavor. Ito.
Sold out na yan, pero magre-restock tayo para ma-flex ni Joaquin.
Okay. Happy what? Happy 2 million! Happy 2 million po.
Hey guys,
Gano'n
grabe.
oras ba tayo dito?
Hanggang
11:30.
11:30.
Guys, we have a long way to go. It's a night full of discounts.
The night is still
Pero
young.
actually, gusto ko yan. Pero totoo guys, keep staying on this live because the more viewers we get, the more taps you guys do. TikTok's gonna give ibang vouchers pa, ibang discounts, and
Yeah.
we're gonna keep restocking mga favorites nyo. So, if may questions or requests kayo, don't be afraid to comment.
Okay. So again, itong lemon iced tea na to, yung with lemon flavor, ito, actually for some reason, tinry siya ni mama ng hot. Kasi pwede to siya sa hot eh.
Oo, feeling ko
Kasi
masarap yan.
Si mama kasi yung tipo ng talik kapag every morning, alam mo yung nagwawali sa labas. Alam mo yung
Very,
Very provincial.
very province
province
yung...
life.
Opo, kasi lagi siya nagigising ng mga 4:30, 5:30.
My mom din, oo, yeah.
Like mahilig silang magwalis ng kuha. Kahit alam mo yung wala namang nililinis, pero nagwawalis sila.
Yan yung routine nila.
Yun yung routine nila.
Oo.
Kumbaga, automatic na yun sa kanila. So eto, nagulat ako. Tinimpla niya to. Sabi ko, bakit nakabukas yung isang box? Sabi niya, tinimpla niya siya ng hot.
Siya, diba that's nice in the morning na you're
Yeah.
drinking something after waking
Para
up na
ma-warm
hot.
yung
Oo, yes.
tummy mo, di ba?
Oo.
So again, for 280 to 238 pesos, naka 15% off siya.
Grabe, there's ampalaya, malunggay, barley din, which is imported from Australia, grapeseed extract, ang daming dito and it
Ang dami.
actually tastes great. Imagine yung iced tea nyo, parang superfood na siya. Saan pa kayo? So if I were you guys, check out yung check it in the yellow basket. Or nakapin ba siya? Yes,
Yeah.
guys,
Yes, yes.
nakapin siya. So if I were you, check out na kayo.
Check out yun na yan!
Trusted by Tita.
Okay,
Shout out kay Tita, hello. She watching.
Yeah.
Hi Tita.
Sabi niya,
See you
muna daw
soon
siya ng
again.
bebe.
Kasi ako naubos na. Medyo... Black hair, nga! I like yung black hair It looks
Huh?
good. I like your black hair, yeah. It's really nice.
Okay. Oh, my best friend's watching. Say hi to Queenie.
Hi Queenie! Oh, kilala ko siya. Nag-usap na kami. Yeah. Hindi mo lang alam. Pero, speaking of size black hair, guys, bagay talaga sa skin niya na alagang Lumi. So, speaking of Lumi, are we restocking ba?
Meron pa tayong 14
Meron
stocks.
40, ayan guys.
14
Restock to
stocks.
14 stocks.
Okay, 14 stocks ng
go.
Lumi.
Buy one, take one.
Na, ito again, ulitin ko lang ulit po. Payday sale ngayon. So, that means, lahat
That means?
ng...
That means?
Lahat ng sinisell namin right now.
Lagi na siya.
Kuya Matt talaga.
First and second bag.
What does it mean?
Lahat ng sinisell namin right now, lahat to, lahat to,
Continue.
sobrang baba ng price. Kaya if I were you, don't miss the chances na lahat to i-check out nyo kasi ako, believe me when I say trusted yung Lumi.
Trusted?
Trusted ko talaga yung Lumi ever since.
Gano'n ka trusted?
Ano po, kasing tiwala ko yung
Oh, ba't para tingin sa akin?
Walang masagot Pero guys, ito yun. Again, yung mga endorsers po ng Glutalife po, it's not just us na
Ay, taray,
mag-vouch.
endorser.
Of course. Ay, feeling naman daw,
Oh,
endorser.
feeling naman natin.
Pero we have Ivan Alawi. We have
Stel?
Stel from SB19. You know, syempre yung celebrities.
Even
Diba?
Maymay.
Oh!
Si Maymay.
Yeah,
Syempre
even,
yun talaga yung trabaho and asset kung celebrity or model ka. And of course, yung kinokonsume nila, dapat high quality talaga.
ako,
And trusted.
yun nga
So-
pala, speaking of Lumi, habang kinukwento ko itong mga loves ko, i-check out niyo yung Lumi. Dati kasi, yung papunta kami somewhere in Manila, nadaan kami sa NLEX. So may nakita kaming billboard doon na Lumi. So una pa lang, na-curious ako na, ano yung Lumi? Kasi that moment, I was looking for a capsule talaga na mag-work sa akin. Kasi as in, ang dami ko nang tinry na glutathione products. Lahat, ang dami ko tinry as in. Tapos nakita ko siya, blessing in disguise nga actually yung Lumi for me. Kasi nung una, takot ako mag-try kasi baka mamaya mag-purge ako. Baka mamaya lumabas yung mga impurities sa mukha ko. Pero nilakasan ko talaga yung loob ko.
And guys, actually, syempre, as I mentioned, ang dami talagang iba't ibang capsules sa market. But what hooked me sa Lumi is nga yung favorite feature ko talaga, yung oral benefit. Yung favorite benefit ko, yung oral sunscreen.
May wifi ba to?
May Bluetooth. Pero guys, yung favorite feature ko talaga yung oral sunscreen. I feel like game changer talaga yan, especially if you want to take care of your skin. Kasi syempre lahat naman tayo, alam natin na yung required ngayon is sunscreen.
Yeah.
Yun yung sinasabi ng lahat ng doctor, dermatologist, number one thing to protect your skin, and Lumi has it inside the pill.
Yeah. Kaya ngayon na-hook talaga ako ever since na sabi namin, bili kaya ako kasi tatry ko lang talaga siya. Pero nung surprisingly, nung tinry ko siya, as in, hindi naman, hindi siya drastic talaga eh. Tinry ko siya for about, if I'm not mistaken, a month ata. Tapos
Ako din, it's been a month din for me.
dun na ako pinupuri ng nanay ko na bakit parang medyo glowing, may nagpapasaya daw ba sa akin, gano'n. Kasi yung ganun si mama, parang medyo, ang arte mo naman. So, tapos ang sabi ko, as in, nag-look back ako, ano ba tinitake ko bukod sa mga skincare na nag-work sa akin? Tinitake ko talaga Lumi.
Yes.
Ever since. So, feeling ko, that moment, okay, hiyang ako sa Lumi. Eto mga loves ko, hindi ako nag-purge sa kanya.
Ako din actually. And for me, the reason why na-indecision ako sa Lumi, kasi I trust Glutathione as a brand overall. Like yung ibang products sila, never talaga nag-fail sa akin. I never felt any side effects. I've been feeling, lighter, healthier, fresher. So nung nilabas nila yung Lumi, I bought it agad kasi I knew na it really works. Kasi trusted yung brand as a whole. And
Oh my God.
it works talaga. Kaya guys, mag-check out na kayo ng Lumi. And guys, it's buy one, take one din pala ngayon. Buy one, take one. 10
left,
stocks
mga loves.
left of the buy
10
one, take
left.
one.
That's from 599 to 569.
And that's already buy one, take one. So if my best friend kayo, girlfriend, boyfriend, wanna give it to one of your parents, yung siblings nyo, syempre, for me, yung best Christmas gift is self-care and health.
Yeah.
So, all-in-one na to.
Kaya kung ako sa inyo, mga loves ko, check out yun na yun. Okay? Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Meron pa tayong...
Thank you for the yellow hearts, guys. Keep tapping, keep sharing the live. We're gonna have so many discounts pa. Hi, RZ. RZ is here though.
Hi, RZ! Hello!
RZ, hindi ka na. RZ, sige na.
Check out
Hoy, pinsan
si
ko yan.
Sir Carlo, dagdag check out. Buy one, take one.
Grabe.
Shout out,
Buy one, take one.
Deserve ni Sir Carl ng ring ng bell. Sir Carl, thank you so much for checking out.
Thank you, Sir Car. Ay, sorry po. Thank
8
you, Sir
left na lang,
Carl.
8 left na lang.
8 left na lang.
People are
Alam
buying.
nyo,
Thank you so much.
alam nyo, ngayon ko nakikita na grabe bias nyo sa Lumi.
Yeah.
Actually,
Grabe.
6 na lang.
Ay, 6 na lang.
6 na lang. Grabe yung bias nyo sa... Uy, wag kayo... Eto sana lahat ng bumibili, wag mag-return to seller. Kasi,
Kami yung magbabayad.
kami yung... Hindi, like, siguro, parang, kung hindi nyo naman siya kukunin, sana binigay nyo na lang yung slot sa ibang tao na mismo kukuha.
Kasi guys, super in demand talaga yung product. But of
Yeah.
course, I'm not worried na they're gonna return it to seller. Kasi syempre, I believe it will work for anyone. Especially yung mga viewers natin. So,
I hope so. I hope so na
Yeah.
hindi sila mag-return to seller. But, ayun, aside from that, I think,
Marami pa tayong mga naka-flash sales dito pag nakita nila yung
Nag-go.
yellow basket natin. Marami tayong mga naka 15% off, 19% off, at mayroon tayong mga nasa 5% off, at yung iba, may free shipping din tayo.
actually guys, ito nga yung classic vanilla naka 32% off from 350 pesos to 239.50 lang. Imagine 32% off talaga. Ang laki ng sale.
grabe. So, kaya ito yung sinasabi ko na tumutok lang kayo sa sale kasi minsan si TikTok talaga nagbibigay siya ng malalang discount.
Yes.
Yeah.
To the point na
Payday.
kailangan nyo lang i-check out yan.
Lalo pa na payday sale pa ngayon, guys. Grabe.
Grabe, grabe yung Lumi natin. Sobrang, eto believe me when I say, trusted ko talaga ang Lumi. Swear. Pang-apat na ba?
I believe you. Yes.
I-believe me naman So,
Yeah.
lahat talaga ako, Lumi talaga ako ever since. And syempre, huy, dark chocolate din, Ito pa rin,
Ito din. Lahat na lang. Ito din.
Yeah, actually,
Only 3 na lang.
Oo, tatlo na lang yung sa
Tatlo
Lumi.
Sa dark choco, 1 na lang.
Hala, sinyo na yan.
Check out anong sold out na nun.
Grabe.
Grabe. Oh, huwag kang gumalaw
okay po.
Ayan, guys.
Taray, naging Christmas tree.
Oh, ikot.
Dapat na-ikot ka.
Ikot.
Happy ka
But
dyan.
ayan, guys, we're so happy na everyone's loving these products. Kasi syempre, part to talaga sa routine namin. And
Yes.
we're happy na it's gonna be part of your routine as well. So, we're
Pag na-try nyo to, isa lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, mag-check out ulit kayo. Mag-iipon ulit kayo ng pera para mag-check out ulit ng Lumi and ng
Actually,
Dark Chocolate.
alam mo, everyone...
Hindi kami lagi nag-aan.
Bihira mag-sale.
Bihira mag-sale ang Lumi kasi kagaya lang, speaking of sale ha, sa amin nyo lang makukuha yung sale ngayon. Sa amin nyo lang, dahil payday sale, sa amin nyo lang makukuha yung mga discounts na nakukuha nyo ngayon. So, make sure na i-check out nyo yan kasi once in a lifetime lang yan.
Once in a lifetime. No, but guys, actually, alam na lahat ng bumibili ng Lumi, Glutalipo, sinasabi nila sa akin na they're gonna buy ulit. Never, parang rare talaga yung one-time buyer lang ng Glutalipo.
Yeah.
No? Bumabalik
Sold
talaga
out,
sila.
Dark Choco.
Sold out
my
Dark Choco!
God! Hoy, thank you so much sa mga nag-check out.
We're
Sinasabi ko sa
excited
inyo.
for you guys.
Sabi sa inyo, hindi kayo magsisisi.
Malaki pala ng discount.
I won't let you down mga loves ko in the first place. Hindi ako magsisell ng mga products ito na hindi ko
That you don't believe in. Of course, of course.
So, me, as a siguro user ng mga products na to, I firmly believe na it's
I
super...
firmly believe.
It's
Wow.
super duper effective.
Lumalawak ang vocabularies mo.
Ganun talaga.
Oh, Miss Universe. Paano po i-take yung Lumi for starters? Well, for me, if you're starting lang, syempre, as mentioned kanina, different effect for everyone's different body compositions, diba? Pero you can take it one white pill a day and one pink pill at night. And then if you love the effect and you want to make it faster pa, you can take